DIY backyard features that use technology most gardeners have never heard of. There is a garden I visited 18 months ago. The owner spent no more than most people spend on a standard landscaping project. Mid-range budget. Modest space. Nothing extraordinary on paper. But from the moment I walked through the gate, something was different. The lighting adjusted as the sun went down. The irrigation knew it had rained the night before and did nothing. The fire feature ignited with a single voice command. The pergola roof solid one moment turned translucent the next. I stood there for a full minute before I said anything, because nothing I was looking at looked like technology. It looked like magic. That is what today's video is about. 10 backyard features that use technology most gardeners have never heard of. Not gadgets, not gimmicks. Real builds, permanent, beautiful, luxury grade, powered by materials and systems that most people simply do not know exist yet. Welcome to No Fail Garden, where modern design, genuine attractiveness, real luxury, and complete uniqueness are the only standard we work to. Subscribe right now, because this might be the most genuinely surprising garden video you watch this year. Before we start, what is the most futuristic thing you have ever seen in a garden? Something that stopped you and made you think, how is that even possible? Drop it in the comments. I want to know what has already impressed you before we raise the bar considerably. The technology principle: 10 seconds. One truth. The best garden technology is completely invisible. You do not see the sensor. You do not see the wire. You do not see the system. You see the result. Water appearing exactly when it is needed. Light responding to your presence. A surface that changes with the weather. Invisible technology. Visible luxury. That is the standard. Idea #1 electrochromic glass pergola roof. Most people have never heard of electrochromic glass. By the end of this idea, you will never stop thinking about it. Electrochromic glass changes its opacity with electrical current. One moment fully transparent, flooding your pergola with natural light. The next fully tinted, providing complete shade and privacy. The transition takes approximately 90 seconds and is controlled from your phone, a wall switch, or a voice command. No moving parts. No mechanical roof system. No retractable canopy that jams in wet weather. Just glass that thinks. Install it as the roof of a modern timber or steel pergola frame, and you have a structure that genuinely responds to the weather, the time of day, and your mood. The most sophisticated version integrates with a weather app, automatically tinting when UV index exceeds a set threshold. Your pergola becomes self-managing. Cost? Electrochromic glass panels approximately $150 to $300 per square meter. A 3x3 meter pergola roof approximately $350 to $2,700. The most premium build on this list. Also the most jaw-dropping one. Have you ever seen electrochromic glass in real life? Tell me in the comments, because most people have not. Idea #2 smart irrigation with hyper-local weather intelligence. Most garden irrigation systems are timers. They water on a schedule regardless of whether it rained last night, whether rain is forecast tomorrow, or whether the soil is already saturated. That is not smart irrigation. That is an expensive hosepipe on a clock. True smart irrigation uses a combination of soil moisture sensors buried at root depth, real-time hyper-local weather data pulled from a personal weather station mounted in your garden, and a learning algorithm that builds a watering profile specific to your soil type, your plant species, and your microclimate. The result: your garden receives water only when the actual data says it needs it, not when a timer says it should. Water usage typically drops 40 to 60%. Plants perform significantly better because they are never overwatered. The system runs entirely from a smartphone app. One dashboard. Every zone. Complete visibility. Cost? A complete smart irrigation system with soil sensors and weather station, approximately $300 to $600 for a medium garden. Pays for itself in water savings within 2 seasons. Idea, #3 thermochromic concrete garden surface. This one genuinely stops people in their tracks. Thermochromic pigment mixed directly into poured concrete changes color with temperature. In the cool of the morning, your patio surface displays one tone. As the sun warms it through the day, it shifts to a completely different color. As evening cools, it transitions back. The color shift is subtle, not garish. Think deep charcoal warming to a soft, warm gray, or a cool slate blue shifting toward a warm stone tone as the surface heats. The effect reads as a surface that is actively responding to its environment. No power required. No technology to maintain. The chemistry is in the material itself. Pair with a polished or honed finish, and the color shift becomes even more visible as light plays across the smooth surface. Cost? Thermochromic pigment approximately 20 to 60 per kilogram. Enough to treat a complete patio pour for approximately 80 to 150. One of the most extraordinary effects on this list for one of the lowest costs. What color combination would you choose? Tell me in the comments. Idea, #4 buried acoustic landscape speakers, not outdoor speakers mounted on a wall or on a post. Not a Bluetooth speaker sitting on a table. Buried acoustic landscape speakers designed to look and function as garden rocks or boulders placed within planting beds and connected to a whole garden audio system. The sound appears to come from everywhere and nowhere simultaneously. No visible source. No wires. No equipment. Just music emerging from the garden itself as if the plants are producing it. The technology inside these speakers is extraordinary, designed specifically for outdoor burial, weatherproof to IP68, with wide dispersion drivers engineered to produce natural sound outdoors where there are no walls to reflect it. Pair with a multi-zone amplifier, and you can have different music at different volumes in different areas of the garden simultaneously, dining area, seating area, and pool zone all independent. Cost? Quality buried landscape speakers approximately 80 to 200 each. A complete 4-speaker garden system with amplifier approximately 500 to 900. Idea, #5 self-healing resin-bound surface. Standard resin-bound driveways and paths crack over time when the substrate moves. Hairline cracks appear. Water infiltrates. The surface degrades. Self-healing resin technology developed originally for aerospace and automotive applications and now available for landscape use contains microcapsules of healing agent distributed throughout the resin matrix. When a crack forms and ruptures a microcapsule, the healing agent is released, flows into the crack, and polymerases bonding the crack closed. Automatically. No human intervention. No repair compound. No contractor. The surface fixes itself. The visual result is a resin-bound path or driveway that maintains its appearance year after year without the maintenance standard resin requires. Cost? Self-healing resin approximately 20 to 30% premium over standard resin-bound systems. For an average driveway approximately 600 to 900. A surface that genuinely pays for itself over time. Idea, #6 solar-powered kinetic water sculpture. A freestanding water sculpture abstract, architectural, made from powder-coated steel or corten that moves, not just flows. Moves, kinetic elements driven by a brushless motor powered entirely by a discrete integrated solar panel, recirculating water through the sculpture in a continuous loop. No mains power connection, no wiring, no electrician. The sculpture arrives in the garden, is filled with water, and begins operating the moment sunlight hits the panel. Completely off-grid. The movement is what makes it extraordinary. Water flowing over and through moving elements creates light effects that static water features simply cannot produce. Light refracts differently off moving surfaces, throwing animated caustic light patterns across surrounding paving and planting. Cost? A quality solar kinetic water sculpture approximately 200 to 600 depending on size and complexity. A completely self-sufficient luxury garden feature. Would you go abstract steel or natural stone style? Tell me below. Idea #7 phosphorescent aggregate path after dark. Most garden paths disappear. You either light them artificially or they become invisible. Phosphorescent aggregate stones containing strontium aluminate, a material that absorbs daylight and re-emits it as a soft blue-green glow after dark set into a resin-bound path surface, creates a path that glows in the dark using zero electricity. No wiring. No LEDs. No power consumption. The path charges itself throughout the day and glows for 8 to 12 hours after sunset. The glow is soft and atmospheric, not fluorescent or artificial looking. It reads as genuinely magical. The kind of feature guests photograph every single time. Combined with dark gravel surrounds and the path appears to float in darkness, a continuous glowing line leading through the garden. Cost? Phosphorescent aggregate approximately 30 to 80 per kilogram. A complete glowing garden path for approximately 150 to 300. One of the highest impact to cost ratios on this entire list. Idea #8 mycorrhizal network assisted planting system. This is the most biological technology on this list, and in many ways the most extraordinary. Mycorrhizal networks, the underground fungal networks that connect plant root systems and allow them to share nutrients, water, and chemical signals, can now be deliberately engineered into a garden's soil system using commercial mycorrhizal inoculants applied at planting. By inoculating every plant's root zone at installation with the correct species-matched mycorrhizal fungi, you are essentially wiring your garden's plants together underground. They begin communicating and sharing resources. Established plants support new ones. The entire planting system becomes more resilient, more drought-tolerant, and more disease-resistant than conventionally planted gardens. The technology is invisible. The results over 2 to 3 seasons are extraordinary. Plants establish faster, perform better, and require significantly less intervention. Cost? Professional-grade mycorrhizal inoculant, approximately 20 to 60. Enough to treat an entire garden planting at installation. Possibly the highest long-term return on investment of any idea on this list. Idea #9 AI-powered garden camera monitoring system. A discrete weatherproof camera system mounted to blend with fencing or planting, running AI image recognition software that monitors your garden continuously and sends you alerts and reports on your smartphone. Not a security camera. A garden intelligence system. It identifies pest damage on specific plants before it becomes critical. It detects the early signs of disease by analyzing leaf color and texture changes invisible to the human eye. It monitors soil surface moisture by reading visual cues. It tracks plant growth week by week and builds a visual record of your garden's development over time. Some systems integrate directly with your smart irrigation, detecting visual signs of water stress and triggering irrigation in the affected zone automatically. Cost? A quality AI garden monitoring camera system, approximately 150 to 400. The garden assistant that never sleeps and never misses anything. What would you most want your garden camera to monitor? Drop it in the comments. Idea #10 phase change material thermal paving. The final technology on this list is the one that will become completely mainstream within 5 years. Right now, almost nobody outside specialist landscape architecture knows it exists. Phase change materials, substances that absorb and store large quantities of thermal energy as they change between solid and liquid states, can be encapsulated in microcapsules and integrated into paving compounds, creating a surface that actively regulates its own temperature. During the day, the material absorbs heat from the sun and stores it as the phase change occurs. In the evening, as temperatures drop, it releases that stored heat back, keeping the surface and the surrounding air measurably warmer for hours after sunset. A patio built with phase-change thermal paving is comfortable to use significantly later into the evening than a standard paved surface. The thermal mass effect extends outdoor living season by weeks. Cost? Phase-change paving compounds approximately 30 to 50% premium over standard equivalents. For an average patio, approximately 400 to 800 premium. An investment that delivers a genuinely longer outdoor season year after year. Quick round-up electrochromic glass pergola roof, the structure that thinks for itself. Smart irrigation with hyper-local weather intelligence water only when the data says so. Thermochromic concrete, surface a patio that changes color with temperature. Buried acoustic landscape speakers, music from everywhere and nowhere. Self-healing resin, surface the path that repairs its own cracks. Solar kinetic water sculpture movement, light and water with zero mains power. Phosphorescent aggregate path, the garden that glows in the dark for free. Mycorrhizal network planting system, wiring your plants together underground. AI garden camera, monitoring the assistant that never sleeps. Phase change thermal paving the surface that keeps your evenings warm. 10 technologies. All real. All available now. All extraordinary. Closing that garden I visited 18 months ago? I asked the owner how long it took to plan. He said about the same time as any other garden. I just spent the research hours differently. Instead of choosing between standard materials, I asked one question nobody usually asks. What if the garden itself could be intelligent? That question is what separates a good garden from an extraordinary one in 2026. Your garden does not need to be bigger. It does not need to cost more. It needs to be smarter. Go back to your comment from the beginning. The most futuristic thing you have ever seen in a garden. Now tell me, which of these 10 technologies changes how you think about what your own backyard could actually do? Drop it below. I read every single one. If this opened your eyes to what is genuinely possible right now, hit that like button. Subscribe to No Fail Garden. Every week we bring you the modern ideas, the luxury builds, and the completely unique approaches that nobody else is showing you. Your garden does not need to follow the rules. It needs to rewrite them. Go build it.